Well, before we get into the answer that which essential oils are helpful in PCOS, let's first understand what essential oils actually are. What are essential oils? Essential oils form the basis of aromatherapy. They are made by crushing plants to release their essence, in simple words, their fragrance. When the chemicals or the essence is naturally extracted, it is known as essential oil. They can be used by applying on the skin through massage or ingested or inhaled. So in this video, we will talk about the use of essential oils extracted from plants as a treatment for PCOS. How do essential oils work? As a part of PCOS treatment, inhalation of certain essential oils help in many ways. The sense of a smell has a powerful effect on our memory and emotions. It can also affect us physiologically. The chemicals or the essence in vapor form is linked with the emotional center of our brain, which can also impact our breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, stress, anxiety, and hormone balance. Do essential oils really work for PCOS? Although there is no exact information and researches claiming the effects of essential oils in different conditions, but essential oils and the chemicals releasing from them have given significant results in calming persons with anxiety and depression and stress, which ultimately helps to control the cortisol release in body. Cortisol levels are directly linked with the hormonal cycles in women. Essential oils for PCOS. Now, let's understand how can essential oils help women having PCOS and which one should we use. Clary sage. Many studies claim that clary sage essential oil is supposed to be helpful in balancing estrogen levels and also helps with PMS and menstrual cramping. However, the simplest benefit of clary sage oil, without much argument, is that it decreases cortisol levels, or in some simpler words, stress. Clary sage essential oil has calming properties that can help with the stress relief as well as enhance mood and fight depression. Thyme oil. Women with PCOS tend to struggle with low progesterone levels, and thyme oil is helpful in balancing and improving the levels of progesterone in body. Progesterone is mainly produced once a woman has ovulated, but in PCOS, since ovulation is not happening, enough progesterone will not be generated, which could result in insomnia, mood swings, weight gain, or hot flashes. Thyme oil can prevent all these symptoms. Lavender oil. Lavender is really common essential oil that can be used in a number of ways and can be helpful in treating a number of conditions in PCOS. Some of the symptoms where lavender can be helpful are anxiety, depression, reducing pain, and improving sleep. Sandalwood essential oil. Ongoing research states that sandalwood oil could be helpful in balancing testosterone levels in both men and women. In women with PCOS, sandalwood essential oil can hence treat symptoms like acne, male pattern baldness, and unwanted hair. Remember, essential oils alone can't treat PCOS. Essential oils do help in managing some of the symptoms of PCOS. However, one should not rely solely on essential oils. Essential oils can work as an additional aid in fighting PCOS with diet, supplements, and exercise.